امریکا نے خبردار کیا ہے کہ ایران نے بنائے ہرمز میں تجارتی بحری جہازوں پر فائرنگ کی تو خمیازہ بھگتے گا۔ صحافیوں سے گفتگو کرتے ہوئے ترجمان وائٹ ہاؤس کیرولین لیوٹ نے کہا کہ ایران امریکا کے ساتھ کیے گئے وعدوں سے پھرے گا تو امریکی صدر ٹرمپ اسے جواب دہ ٹھہرائیں گے، لیکن وہ تہران کے ساتھ سفارتکاری کے لیے بھی تیار ہیں۔
Iran very much continues to talk to the United States of America and express that they want to make a deal with us because they are suffering devastating blows on behalf of our United States military. The reason, and this is important for the American people to understand, the reason for the recent strikes over the course of the last several days is because Iran violated the memorandum of understanding that we struck with them. Specifically, in the memorandum of understanding that they signed, they were not to fire on commercial vessels moving through the Strait of Hormuz. And unfortunately, they have made the tragic decision for them to do that. And President Trump is not going to sit by and allow these active acts of terrorism to take place in the Strait without ensuring Iran pays consequences for that. And that's what we are witnessing right now.